emergency filling of the garage here. I should not have put this trailer in here. I got a tire that came off the rim and I was trying to fix it. But we're gonna get 5 inches of snow, so I feel like I want to put the truck in here. So what I'm thinking is that I might be able to put the trailer on this dolly and get it over there and turn it sideways and be able to get the truck in. So let's see what happens. All right, well, it's not touching. Obviously it's on a pretty big angle, but way better. Oh, that's it. Okay, this is perfect. Let's get this out of here. This is the most stuff I'll ever have. I mean, this is... Doing this in my pajamas. All right, so that's where we're at right now. I feel like it's gonna be very close, but I think we're gonna get it in. This might sound dumb, but it's actually easier, I think, to fit this by backing in, because then I can use the backup camera and see how close I get. This is actually gonna hurt me a little bit, this thing. I can take that off if I have to. Let's try it with it. All right, we got this. Do this. I mean, if I bump it, I don't care. Hell, it'll move it over. Oh, it goes over it. This is a new record. Unbelievable. Whew, and look at all this room right here. Could put a whole nother boat right here. Man. Nice. All right. Success.